Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bigo name on your Bigo Live app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app and on the bottom right of the screen, you can see there's Me option. Tap on it. Then you have to go ahead and tap on that top right corner's little user-like icon. Then again, you have to look at the top right corner and tap on that edit like button. Then scroll down and you can see this basic information like name, gender, birthday, height, weight, income, etc. Tap on name and you can see you can change your name on Bigo Live app. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit your Bigo ID on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.